Afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2019 English Objective Past Question. Question number 71. The instruction here say fill each numbered gap with the most appropriate of the options. So now this instruction is to answer question from 71 to 100, and this question is from what we call register in English. It's from register, and this register is from what we call crime. It's under crime. So, and the question number 71 says, at the station the officer on duty took down two dash. At the station, the officer at duty took down two dash. A. Comments. B. Observations. C. Remarks. D. Report. E. Statement. In station, officers don't take comments. The officer don't take observation, although they look, they observe, but they don't pencil down observation. The remarks also, remarks is just like a compliment, and they don't take it down. But in the form, there's a certain form that they give to complainants, and that under the form there is where they wrote remarks, but it is not the primary function of an officer on duty. Then reports, they don't take down reports. Yes, they only take down statement, and that's why whenever you go to station, they'll ask to come and write statements. So what you write is called statement, or what they take down from complainant or from accused fellow is statement. So they always say come and put down statement, come and put that statement, come and put statement. So with this analysis, option E is correct. So you can now say that at the station the officer on duty took down two statements. So option E is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.